Lubbock Cooper ISD, Reading, Grade 7, Unit 2, Understanding Fiction and Drama. Number 1. How does the setting advance the plot of the story? A. It allows the characters to witness an uncommon event. B. It gives the characters the opportunity to identify a problem. C. It offers the characters a chance to develop new relationships. D. It causes the characters to feel unsafe. Number 2. Which sentence shows that the narrator is aware of the feelings of others? F. It doesn't seem to be as strong, though, as the first turtle is putting an increasing amount of distance between them. G. The baby turtle seems to be taking a break from his attempts to free himself from the nest. H. We hurry back to the nest, where a few other beach walkers have been drawn in as well. J. I can tell her mind is on my little brother, Charlie. Number 3. Why doesn't the narrator watch the other turtles hatch at the end of the story? A. He is consumed by his thoughts and his first turtle's destiny. B. He doesn't have the patience to observe such a long process. C. He is concerned that his mother has started worrying again. D. He doesn't want to ruin the experience for the little girl. Number 4. What is the primary theme of this story? F. The young must make their own path in life. G. Home is wherever a person feels accepted. H. People have a responsibility to protect nature. J. Strangers can bond while sharing an experience. Number 5. What is the best summary of the story? A. While on vacation, the narrator and his mother come across a nest of hatching sea turtles. The narrator listens as a woman explains to her young daughter that the small turtles will travel far across the ocean. A small crowd watches the turtles make their way across the sand. The narrator tries to continue watching the first turtle after the waves pull it out to sea, but the creature is soon hidden from view. B. The narrator is on a family vacation in Florida. While on an evening walk along the beach, the narrator and his mother have the opportunity to watch baby sea turtles hatch and struggle towards the ocean. The turtles remind the mother of her younger son who is traveling alone to Los Angeles. The narrator hopes that the first newly hatched sea turtle will overcome the odds and survive in the ocean. C. The narrator and his mother decide to walk on the beach at sunset, but it soon becomes dark. They meet a little girl and her mother, who explains that a nest of sea turtles has unexpectedly begun to hatch. The woman asks whether the narrator and his mother have a cell phone so that she can call her husband, but they do not. The narrator and his mother leave, but they return when the little girl yells that a turtle is out of the nest. D. A little girl tells people walking on the beach that some baby turtles are hatching. The narrator and his mother join the girl and her mother in watching the turtles, which are hatching about 10 days earlier than expected. The girl asks her mother where the first turtle is going and learns that it must swim to the Sargasso Sea. The narrator admires the small turtle's determination to cross the sand and reach the water. Number 6. Using the first-person point of view allows the author to F. Describe the occasion's importance to the local residents. G. Explain the narrator's complex relationship with his mother. H. Present each character's thoughts about the event. J. Help the reader feel closely connected with the narrator's experience. Number 7. Why are the women's comments about the nest in paragraphs 6 through 10 important to the story? A. They explain why it is problematic that the turtles are hatching early. B. They establish that the woman is knowledgeable about the life cycle of turtles. C. They reveal the significance of seeing the turtles hatch from their nest. D. They show that the local residents think tourists disregard the safety of the turtles. Number 8. In paragraph 19, the author refers to the Turtles onlookers as a group of fans to show that F. People are leading the turtle to the ocean. G. The crowd wants the turtle to succeed. H. The narrator feels like part of the crowd. J. The narrator wishes more people could see the event. Number 9. The narrator's observations in paragraph 2 are important to the story because they A. imply that Charlie values his personal interests more than family. B. suggest that the narrator envies his brother. C. illustrate the family's desire to spend time together. D. convey the mother's anxiety about Charlie. 10. Why does the playwright include the stage directions in paragraph 22? F. To imply that Asia is taking the task of cutting Lonnie's hair seriously. G. To indicate that both Lonnie and Asia are nervous about the haircut. H. To reveal that Asia has more experience cutting hair than she said she did. J. To show that Asia is pleased she has a chance to cut someone's hair. 11. Why does Lonnie agree to let Asia cut her hair? A. Lonnie decides that a free haircut from Asia is better than paying for a salon haircut. B. Lonnie trusts that Asia's father has taught Asia how to cut hair properly. C. Lonnie knows Asia has access to the right tools for cutting hair. D. Lonnie believes that her hair will look just like the style she wants if Asia cuts it. 12. What does the word gusto mean in paragraph 25? F. Concern. G. Precision. H. Curiosity. J. Enthusiasm. 13. What is the best summary of the play? A. Asia and Lonnie look through magazines and notice a hairstyle worn by a singer they like. Lonnie wants her hair cut in that style, and Asia tells Lonnie she has watched her father cut hair. Lonnie agrees to let Asia cut her hair. While Asia is cutting hair, her brother comes in and out of the room looking for his baseball bat. Asia finishes Lonnie's haircut, but Lonnie says it is terrible. B. Lonnie sees a hairstyle she likes in a magazine and agrees to let Asia cut her hair. Lonnie worries when Asia won't give her a mirror, and Jeremiah comments on her appearance. Asia tries to improve the haircut, but Lonnie is upset when she finally gets to see it. Asia tries to make Lonnie feel better, and the girls agree to get matching haircuts together at a salon. C. Asia and Lonnie are looking through magazines when they decide they like a singer's hairstyle. Asia suggests that she can cut Lonnie's hair to look like the style in the magazine. Asia persuades Lonnie to let her do it by saying that she has seen her father cut hair many times. After Asia finishes, the girls plan to go to the salon together to get matching haircuts. D. Lonnie wants a haircut like the one she sees in a magazine. Asia offers to cut her hair for free, and Lonnie agrees to let her. Jeremiah, Asia's brother, makes comments about Lonnie's hair that worry her. When Lonnie finally sees her finished haircut, she blames Asia for ruining it. She tells Asia to put on the apron so that Lonnie can cut her hair with the same style. 14. Why does the playwright include this sensory language in paragraph 43? F. To show the reader that Lonnie is overreacting to the situation. G. To allow the reader to better visualize the style of the haircut. H. To help the reader understand how distraught Lonnie feels. J. To tell the reader that Lonnie puts a lot of thought into her hairstyle. 15. Asia's dialogue in paragraph 51 is important because it shows that she A. appreciates having a chance to practice cutting hair. B. is envious of how good her friend's hair looks now. C. prefers having her hair cut by a professional. D. wants to be supportive of her friend. 16. What can the reader infer about Asia and Lonnie based on how the play ends? F. Asia and Lonnie will get into trouble for the mess that they made. G. Asia and Lonnie will have their hair cut only by professionals in the future. H. Asia and Lonnie will continue to be friends despite what has happened. J. Asia will choose a hairstyle different from the one Lonnie chose.